Assalamualaikum. Welcome to video 4. This is on IS2 inventories. This is relevant for both FR and SBR students. So here, inventory should be valued at the lower of cost and net realizable value. Net realizable value is your selling price minus your cost which are incurred to make the sale. IS2 says that the cost of inventory includes purchase price, import duties, transport, handling cost. You have to add all. Direct production labor, example direct labor. This also is an addition to your cost of inventory. Direct expense and subcontracted work. Production overhead based on the normal levels of activity. Other overheads if they are necessary to bring the product or service to its present location and condition. So this 5 you have to add and they are taken as cost of inventory. These are the costs which are not taken as cost of inventory. They are abnormal waste, storage cost, indirect admin overhead and selling cost. They are not your inventory, cost of inventory. Now, some entities can identify the individual unit of inventory. So, for example, vehicles can be identified by a number, chassis number. Entities that cannot do this, they should keep a track of the cost using either FIFO, first in, first out, or AFCO, weighted average cost. Some entities may use a standard costing for inventory valuation. Okay, standard cost may be used for convenience if it is a close approximation to your actual cost and it is regularly reviewed and revised. But in your exam, FR and SBR, mostly it is FIFO and AFCO that you will be asked. So you have to know how to do inventory valuation using FIFO and AFCO. This I have introduced in my IS2 lectures. So make sure that you watch my IS2 lectures. Now, example. Inventory has a cost of 200 and it is sold to a customer for 220 with the cost undertaken 30. Okay, so the rectification work cost is 30. So first the cost is 200. Your net realizable value will be amount that you have sold 220 minus the cost that you have undertaken 30. So 220 minus 30 is 190, which is less than the cost 200. So your inventory will be valued at net realizable value of 190. That's it. And exam questions, this is for SBR students. So in your from your revision kit, you have to do questions fill and lucky dairy for your IS2. Thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next standard. Next standard is IS7.